This is how I make ginger liqueur. And that's how it's done. Now I really like this ginger liqueur recipe. Ginger is nice and sharp. The vanilla really rounds it out. Tastes really good. I really enjoy it, and I made it myself. That's the best. A couple of cocktail ideas for you. The first is basically a rusty nail. It's got blended Scotch. I'm using monkey shoulder right now, which I really enjoy. Ginger liqueur, a dash of Angostura, and I threw in just a bar spoon of honey syrup. Honey goes really well with ginger and really well with Scotch, so I think that works out really well. The ginger really comes out at the end, the back of the palate. If you're looking for a nice aftertaste in something, ginger liqueur. Scotch and ginger is like a no-brainer, and a little bit of honey sweetness. This is like a really good rusty nail. In a way, like a stirred penicillin, but without the lemon. Not really a penicillin. Okay. I like that a lot. Now, another direction you could go in is to use the ginger liqueur and soda water as if it were ginger beer. Now, it isn't really ginger beer, but if you just had ginger liqueur and soda, you could fool yourself into thinking it was a delicious ginger beer, and it is delicious that way. So if you had ginger liqueur and soda water and you wanted to make a mule or a buck, you could do that, throw in some whiskey or some vodka, a little bit of lime, and you'd have a delicious tall drink for a summer day. It's summer, guys. Something I really enjoy is a Dark Stormy. So I'm going to do that. Normally one would use Goslings in a Dark Stormy. I don't have that right now, but I do have Cruzan Blackstrap. So we're going to go ahead and use that. Nice beer. Well, this is my last one. I'm going to use it anyway. Just get right in here. I mean, it's slightly less classy, but you know, you do what you gotta do. Rum, ginger liqueur. I'm actually gonna put an extra quarter ounce of ginger. Throw in a lime wedge or a little lime juice if you like. Soda water. We're good to go. Delicious. Oh yeah. Now, I'm sure the cocktail nerds out there will tell me this isn't really Dark Stormy because it doesn't have ginger beer. It has ginger liqueur and soda water, but I don't care. This is amazing. If you make ginger liqueur, you don't really need to make ginger beer. You've got a substitute ginger beer right here. Cheers.